Welcome to the future of fashion, where artificial intelligence is reshaping creativity. In this neon-lit design studio, human designers collaborate with StyleNet, an advanced AI system. Struggling to keep up with trends, designers now rely on AI to generate innovative ideas. Holographic displays show real-time fabric simulations, blending traditional craftsmanship with cutting-edge technology. This partnership marks the beginning of a new era in fashion design. AI doesn't just guess, it learns. StyleNet processes millions of data points, social media trends, historical designs, and even weather patterns. This data transforms into dynamic 3D clothing wireframes, visualized on transparent screens. The system identifies gaps in the market, suggesting bold yet wearable designs. For designers, this isn't replacement, it's empowerment, offering insights no human could compile alone. Witness the birth of StyleNet's first physical creation, a dress merging Baroque embroidery with luminescent smart fabric. Robotic arms stitch precisely, guided by AI algorithms, while the designer adjusts the neckline by hand. The final piece shimmers under studio lights, its colors shifting subtly. This isn't just clothing, it's a dialogue between human intuition and machine precision. The runway erupts as models showcase StyleNet's debut collection. Each piece reacts to movement, color-shifting skirts, jackets that breathe via microfans. Traditionalists scoff, but smartphones capture every angle instantly. Online, AI fashion trends globally within minutes. This isn't just a show, it's a cultural reset, proving algorithms understand desire better than expected. StyleNet now tailors designs to individuals. Using 3D body scans and personality quizzes, it generates outfits matching users' lifestyles. A customer's avatar tries options in a virtual fitting room, adjusting sleeve lengths or swapping prints with a swipe. AI reduces returns by 60%, making fashion both personal and sustainable. The algorithm learns, your style evolves, and so does it. Critics argue AI lacks soul. Protesters gather outside StyleNet's HQ, holding signs like real stitches, real stories. News holograms debate job losses, while traditional designers claim algorithms copy without context. Yet data shows AI actually expands opportunities. Small brands now access tools once reserved for fashion giants. The question isn't replacement, but reinvention. The solution? Collaboration. Designers hand-embellish AI-printed jackets, adding hand-painted details to algorithmic patterns. Tags now read AI-assisted, human-crafted. This hybrid line pleases traditionalists and tech enthusiasts alike. Sales soar, proving that the future isn't human versus machine. It's human with machine, each amplifying the other's strengths. StyleNet becomes a digital apprentice. It suggests radical silhouettes, a dress with floating sleeves, a jacket that disassembles into scarves, while designers refine the ideas. The AI tracks which sketches get rejected, learning preferences over time. It's not a dictator, it's a muse, sparking creativity humans might never explore alone. The best designs emerge from this ping-pong of inspiration. At the Met Gala, a pop icon wears StyleNet's pièce de résistance, a gown that morphs patterns based on crowd noise. Embedded sensors detect applause, making the dress blush crimson. Social media explodes, searches for AI couture spike 300%. Critics can't deny it, this is more than tech. It's magic, and the world is enchanted. The revolution stabilizes into evolution. Design studios now feature AI collaboration stations, where humans and algorithms co-create. StyleNet handles repetitive tasks, freeing designers for big-picture thinking. Through the studio's smart windows, a sunset paints everything gold, symbolizing not an end, but a brighter beginning. Fashion's future isn't cold or mechanical, it's vibrantly, unmistakably human, just with better tools.